Hey guys, it's me Rapi Sam Steel, and today we have Canon's new RF45mm f1.2 STM. This is a quick unboxing, quick photo test, and most importantly, in low light outdoor night test. Let's not waste the time and let's go. This is a quick unboxing, nothing fancy inside the box. We get the lens itself, front and rear cups, paperwork, and that's it. First impressions, this is not a huge, especially from the f1.2 lens. It feels solid, clean, and very modern. This is clearly made for creators, not just photographers. "45mm is the perfect middle ground, not too wide, not too tight, very cinematic. Let's mount this on the camera and head outside. I want to see how the lens performs at night, because that's where f1.2 really matters. But before that, let's try to take some sample photos here indoor. We are now outside. No studio light, just street lights and shop lights, and whatever ambient light is available. For video, the STM autofocus is smooth and quiet. No hunting, no distracting, focus jumps. Even in low light, autofocus stay confident and the image stays clean because I don't need to push the high ISO too much. All these photos are shot at wide open at f1.2. Look at the background separation. The subject just pops. What I really like here is how the highlights look. Street lights turn into a beautiful soft bokeh, not harsh. For night street photography, portraits, or even travel shots, this lens is dangerous. This is the kind of lens you use when you want that cinematic night look. This is not a full review, just a quick impression, but honestly, Canon did something special here. If you shoot night vlogs, portraits, street photography, or cinematic video, the RF45mm f1.2 STM makes a lot of sense. I'll be sharing more photos and videos soon, so stay tuned. If this video helped you, hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. This is Rapi Sam Still. Peace out.